Welcome to Horizon Heights, where luxury meets serenity, an exceptional investment opportunity in the city of Parañaque. This building is a versatile hybrid complex combining both a mall and hotel, where unique shopping and leisure opportunities are provided by a blend of elegance, luxury, and relaxation. This building is a mall where you can explore our premier shopping center and find a carefully curated selection of luxury retail establishments, offering everything from the latest fashion trends to unique high-quality goods. This elegant bridge leads to a duplex building that houses a hotel. Built with a modern design and top-quality materials, the hotel features a striking and impressive exterior. Outside the building, you'll find a sea offering various water activities, including a refreshing seawater zone that caters to both adventure seekers and leisure visitors. During the day, natural light brightens the building. The frontage illuminates shadows and highlights, accentuating its design. Windows sparkle with sunlight, and the view around it makes the scene more lively. As the sun begins to set, the building undergoes a dramatic change. The warm colors of the sunset create a beautiful contrast against the building's exterior. Soft, golden tones highlight its details, offering a serene and picturesque view. In twilight, the building starts to blend into the evening ambience. The last rays of sunlight fade, giving way to cooler tones, as the lights gradually turn on, creating a gentle illumination that outlines its form and structures. Join us in shaping the future of retail and leisure. Horizon Heights, invest in a future of growth and success.